educated, but I'm so frustrated.
Hello and welcome back to Ben Rides Motorbikes. Today is a bit of a different one. I've got the CFMOTO 800MT out and I've done something a little bit rash. I can't believe I've done this, to be honest with you. But in a moment of weakness, I went onto AliExpress and I lashed out for one of their, I don't want to say cheap, I want to say affordable aftermarket exhaust options for this. Just for the sake of curiosity, killed the cat. And I bought one, and I bought a no-name brand one. And when I got it, I received this. So you can imagine my shock about 30 minutes ago when I opened this and found that it had laser etched into the side Akrapovič and the logo. But anyway, it looks and feels legit. It's even got on the back Akrapovič and the serial number. But given this cost about 10% the price of a Akrapovič off the shelf, I would doubt even rampant capitalism would account for the fact that, yeah, I wouldn't say this is the real deal at all. That said, it looks and feels like a really nice exhaust. Yeah, the welds look super clean. The etching looks amazing. And I'm keen to get it installed. After riding Mick's Husqvarna, I'm mostly excited to just get a different sound out of this, and just to give it a bit more presence. I don't want it to be louder. As someone who works with kids and a lot of neurodivergent kids, and especially kids who come from trauma, I hate with a passion loud exhaust, and I know I'm probably going to get some pushback about that from the loud pipes save lives community, but unless you've been down the street with a kid who's been taken off their abusive family and is just completely afraid of loud noises, and then you get people ripping down the main street in Traralgon like we do, and terrifying kids like that, that's not what I want from my riding on my bike. So if you're like that, good on you. If you're comfortable living with the consequences that has on traumatized and neurodivergent kids, then good for you. Anyway, it looks like a pretty simple install. I just need a 10mm spanner, a 6mm hex and a 4mm hex. I probably don't even need the 4mm hex because that's for one of the covers. And touch wood, this will be pretty straightforward. But anyway, here's a clip of the bike. So I've got one mic here and one hung up there, just for a sound clip of the original, so you can get a baseline to see what it sounds like. Okay, let's get cracking.
To my loneliness, I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles, ending truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Okay, that literally could not have been easier. Touch wood. It slipped straight on. There's no clearance issues that I can see. It looks pretty good. I'll hold my hand around the connection point just to make sure there's no air escaping from there. But it's feeling pretty tight. But let's turn it on. Let's see how it sounds. Fantastic. Well, I'm pleased to report that sounds exactly the same as it did before. So it does have a baffle. So what I might do next is take that out and have a crack, and we'll see what it sounds like without the baffle there. Bear with me while I do that.
I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game.
Okay, let's try with that. Okay, that undeniably sounds a lot better. It's probably going to negatively impact the performance, but I might give it a try for a little while just for something different. It's not obnoxiously loud, it's just deeper. So we'll see how it sounds. It sort of takes a little bit away from the bucket of bolts sound that the engine has, which will be a nice change for a little while. But yeah, I'm pleased with that. Without the baffle out, that's not too bad. Hopefully the mic's picked up the bassier tone a little bit. But if not, let me know and I'll pull out some of my music recording gear and we'll listen to it in a bit better detail. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll take this for a spin.